The last class we were discussing about the average price method of the valuation of goodwill. And in today's class, we will be talking about the second method, which is the weighted average method. Apart from the average profit method, we have the following methods available for the valuation of the goodwill. So we have weighted average method, super profit method, capitalization method, and capitalization method is further divided into two parts. So until now, from the last three sessions, we were only talking about the valuation of goodwill by the average price method, wherein the formula for calculating the goodwill by average profit method is average profit into number of years purchased. But in today's class, we will be starting the weighted average method, and we will talk about the how valuation of goodwill is done using the weighted average method. So I guess I have explained all these things in the last class. I have uh, I have explained this table, I guess, in the last session, and also the formula that we use to find out the average weighted average goodwill by weighted average method. Now, let's just recall everything once. Okay, so in the last class, I've told you how to find out goodwill using using the weighted average method. And as per the weighted average method, we have this formula, weighted average method. The formula to calculate the goodwill by this method is this: goodwill equals to weighted average profit multiplied with the number of years purchased. So this formula is almost similar to the previous one. The only difference is this time we have to find out instead of finding out the average profit, we will be calculating the weighted average profit and then multiplying it with the number of years purchased. And as usual, as we used to do in the average price method, in this situation also we will be preparing a working note for the purpose of calculation of the weighted average profit. So for finding out the weighted average profit, generally we prepare this kind of format. First of all, one column for the year should be taken, then the amount of profit, then if there are any adjustments, such adjustment should also be taken into consideration. So we will be making a separate column for doing the adjustments, and if there are weights given in the question, such weights should be taken separately in this column, weights. And then finally, okay, just a minute, I guess I have missed one column. Okay, after doing the adjustment, we will find out the normal profit, and this normal profit will then be multiplied with the weights that will be given in the question. After multiplying it with the weight, we will get the weighted average profit or weighted profit. We will be getting weighted profit. Multiplying the normal profit with the weight, we will be getting the weighted profit. And after calculating the total weighted profit for different years, what we will be doing, we will then calculate the weighted average profit by dividing the total weighted profit by the total weights given in the question. Okay, so I have explained all these things in the last class, and I have also discussed this slide with you, I guess. So I hope this point is clear to all of you now. The calculation, how the calculation of average profit, weighted average profit will be done. This is clear to all of you now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's start the session with a small question. So we will be starting our session with the easy question based on the weighted average method. Just a minute. Yeah. So we will first of all discuss question number 57. Okay, question number 57. All right, so in this question, profit of a firm for the last 4 years are given, for 5 years are given. So profit in the year 2015 was 20,000, then in the year 2016 it was 24,000, then in the year 2017 30,000, then 25,000, and then 18,000. So this firm have generated different profits for the 5 different years. Now question is asking us to calculate the value of goodwill. Calculate value of goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase. Okay, number of year purchase is already given in the question. Weighted average profit after assigning weights. Weights are also given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the weights given for the different years of profit. So for the first year, for the year 2015, the weight is 1. For the profit of 2016, weight has been assigned as 2, and for the 2007, weight is 3, 4, and 5 respectively. Okay, so in this question is asking us to prepare to find out the goodwill using the weighted average profit method. So let me just solve this question for you, then I will be giving you the next question, you to solve it. Okay, so let's continue. So in this question, first of all, we will write down the formula for calculation of the goodwill by weighted average method. The solution to question number 57. We'll write down goodwill by weighted average profit method. Then we will write down the formula of goodwill. Formula for calculating goodwill as per the weighted average profit method is weighted average profit multiplied with the number of years purchased. Number of years purchased. Okay. So number of years purchased is I think it is already given in the question. Yeah, in the first line, you can see the we need to calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase. So the purchase number of year purchase will be 3 years. Number of years purchase will be 3 years. All right. Now all we need to do is to find out the weighted average profit. And I already told you, for the purpose of calculating the weighted average for different years, we will have to prepare a working note. So I'm making a working note. Working note. For what purpose? For calculating statement showing calculation of weighted average profit. Weighted average profit. Okay, and this statement will contain few columns. So let me first of all make the format of the statement. So first of all, we will be making a column for years, then the profit that is given in the question, and there is one column for adjustment. If there are adjustment given in the question, then such adjustment will be recorded in this column, and accordingly, after taking into consideration the adjustment, we will be calculating the normal profit. And after finding out the normal profit, then we will multiply this profit with the weights given in the question. Weights given in the question, and multiplying it weights, we will then find out the weighted profit. Weighted profit. All right. So we have the information about 5 years of profit. So let's start with the year 1. Year 1 was 2015. In the year 2015, profit In the year 2015, profit generated by the business was 20,000. So 20,000. In the year 2015, profit was 20,000. And there is no additional information given in the question regarding the year 2015. There is no information given regarding the adjustment that we need to do in the profit of 2015. So the column for adjustment will remain. We will skip this column. We won't be writing anything in this column. So the entire amount of profit will be considered as the normal profit for the year 2015. Okay. And next year, the profit for the year 2016 was 24,000. 24,000 for the year 2016. Profit was 24,000. And again, there are no adjustment given in the question regarding the year, regarding the profit of 2016. So again, we won't be writing anything in this column. So the entire amount will be considered as the total normal profit. Then again, in the year 2017, there was no adjustment. So the entire amount of profit for the year 2017 will be considered as the normal profit. 30,000, 25,000 and 18,000. 30,000. So total normal profit will also be 30,000. And 2018, the profit was 25,000. No adjustment is required. So 25,000 will be the normal profit. And finally, in the year 2019, profit was 18,000. No adjustment is required for the year 2019 as well. So the entire amount will be considered as our normal profit, 18,000. This is the normal profit. Okay, is this clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, after that, we have assigned different weights for different years. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the weights given in the question. So the weight for the year 2015 will be 1. For the 2016, the weight is 2. For the 17, it is 3. For 18, it is 4. And for the year 2019, it is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the weights that is given in, that is already given in the question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now to find out the weighted profit, what do? We simply multiply the normal profit with the weights. Normal profit multiplied with the weights, we will get the weighted profit. So 20,000 multiplied with 1, we will get 20,000. So this is our normal profit. Again, 24,000 into 2, this will be our normal profit, 48,000. 30,000 into 3, it will be 90,000. 25,000 into 4, it is 1 lakh. And 18,000 into 5, it will be 90,000. Done, everyone? Is this correct? Anyone
Yes.
having any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, now one more step is left. Now we need to find out. Now we need to find out the weighted average profit. So in order to find out the weighted average profit, what we will do? Weighted average profit. Weighted average profit. So for calculating the weighted average profit, we will simply apply this formula. We will take the value. We will take the value of the total weighted profit. Total weighted profit. And then we will divide the entire total weighted profit by the total weight. Total weight. Total weight. Just sorry. We will divide it by the total weight. Okay. Now tell me, what is the total weight in the question? So the total of the weight will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sum total of all the weight will be 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10 and 5, 15 is the total weight. And sum total of the weighted profit will be, let's total all these values, 20,000 plus 48,000. Okay. So 20,000 plus 48,000 plus 90,000 plus 1 lakh and 90,000. The total profit is 3,48,000. Total weighted profit is 3,48,000. Tell me everyone, is this correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we can simply divide 3,48,000 by 15. Dividing 3,48,000 by 15, we will get the weighted average profit. So let's divide this value by total weight, that is 15. So we will get the weighted average profit as 23,200. 23,200. This is our weighted average profit, 23,200. Tell me everyone, is this clear, all of you? This
Yes,
calculation is clear to everyone? Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now finally, since we got weighted average profit, now we can use this value in our main formula. The formula for calculating the goodwill was weighted average profit into number of years purchased. So we will put the value here, 23,000. $23,200. Then we will multiply it by 3 and we'll get the value of the goodwill, 23,200 into 3. The total value of goodwill will be 69,600. 69,600. This is the value of the goodwill. Tell me everyone, anyone having any doubt, any problem, understanding anything?
Sir, the adjustment was not given. That's why we directly write the normal profits.
Yeah, correct. In the from the next question onward, you will be provided with the adjustment information also. So you will have to find out the normal profit considering the adjustment given in the question. Okay, so depending upon the type of adjustment, we will be calculating the normal profit and then we will multiply it with the weight and then accordingly we will find the weighted profit. All right, everyone. Yes. Note it down quickly and tell me as soon as you are done writing it. If anyone having any doubt, any problem, want to ask anything, please let me know. Mariam is saying, sir, can you show the question? Okay. Just a minute. This was the question number 57 that we were discussing, question 57. Done, everyone? Shall we move to the next question? Guys, tell me.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. So let's move to the next question. Question number 58. All right. And let's see what this question is saying. Amitabh and Bachchan are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 5:3. So there are two partners, Amitabh and Bachchan. Ratio of sharing the P&L profit and loss is given in the ratio in the question, that is 5:3. On 1st of April 2020, Chaman is admitted to the partnership. Okay, so they are admitting one new partner for the 1/4 share in profit. For the purpose, goodwill is to be valued at 2 years purchase. Okay, so the number of year purchase is already given. Of the last 3 years profit after allowing partners remuneration. Okay, so we have to calculate the value of goodwill taking into consideration the profit after the remuneration of the partner. Okay, so this is the information regarding the adjustment. This is the adjustment that we will have to make in the profit that will be given in the question. So profit to profit, the weight of profit for different year is also given. Weight is 1 2 3. The greatest weight will be given to the last year's profit. Okay. Net profit before partners remuneration. So the profit information about the profit is given, but see, information is given before deducting the partner's remuneration. Net profit before partner remuneration is 2 lakh, 2 lakh 30,000, 2 lakh 50,000. And the remuneration of the partner is also given 90,000 per annum. Okay. Got it, everyone? Is any problem understanding question? We have been provided with the information like there are two partner. Number one, their profit sharing ratio is given, which is completely irrelevant for the purpose of valuation of the goodwill. Okay. Well, then the new partner is being admitted in the partnership for the 1/4 share of the partnership, 1/4 share of profit. This is also not relevant for the valuation of the goodwill. So these 2 points are completely irrelevant. Now, important point comes into picture. That question is saying that 2 years purchase shall be considered, and the profit for different years is given. Weight is given, but question is asking us to calculate the goodwill after allowing the partner's remuneration. So that means we have to find out the profit after deducting the partner's remuneration, and partner remuneration is also given in the question, which is 90,000. Okay. So will you guys give it a try? Will you be able to solve this question?
Yes,
Shall
sir.
I wait for 5-7 minutes?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
So I'm giving you 7 minutes to solve this question. At least within 7 minutes, tell me the average weighted average profit.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Give it a shot.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Alexander.
So what will the weights be?
Weights will be 1, 2, 3. That is given in the question. Huh? Weights are 1, 2, 3. And the greatest weight will be given to the last year. That means 3 will be given to the year 2020. Then 2 will be given to 2019 and 1 will be given to the profit of 2018.
Oh, okay, sir.
Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Anyone else other than Alexander? Mariam, Evan? Please tell me the weighted average profit.
Sir, 1,45,000.
1,45,000. Okay.
Yes.
I guess it is incorrect.
Okay, sir.
Or just tell me the total weighted profit you are getting. It is the for the year 2018. It is 1,10,000.
Yes.
And for the next year, for the year 2019,
1,40,000.
why 1,40,000?
Sir, you said
Okay, yeah, right. Okay,
right.
that is correct. And how much is the total profit? How much is the total weighted profit?
8,70,000.
No, I mean you must be multiplying the normal profit with the weight, na? And after multiplying the normal profit with the weight, you must be
Okay.
getting the weighted profit, right?
Okay. Yes, sir.
So in that case, for the year 2019, the weighted profit should be 2,80,000.
80,000. Yes, sir.
So we will add 2,80,000 in 2,10,000. So the value will become 3,90,000. And then finally in the year 2019, the total weighted profit should be 7,23,000. Are you getting this value? 7,23,000?
No, sir.
You're not getting this value. Okay. Just I think I made a mistake. Sorry. Let me make the changes. Let me, out of 2,50,000, we will be subtracting 90,000, and after deducting 90,000, we should get 1,60,000. And 1,60,000 multiplied with 3, 4,80,000. You're getting this value, 4,80,000.
Sir, we are not able to
Yes.
see your screen.
I'm not showing the screen yet. I was just waiting for your answers.
Oh.
You guys are trying now. You guys are trying to solve it. $8,70,000 is the total weighted profit.
Yes, sir.
Alexander? Yeah, correct. You're right. So 8,70,000. In order to find out the weighted average profit, now we will divide the 8,70,000 by 6. So the weighted average profit should be how much? It should be 1,45,000. Everyone getting this answer, 1,45,000? I guess no one is even trying because no one is, I'm not getting answers from anyone.
Yes, sir.
You guys are not getting this answer? All right, no problem. Let me show you the solution. So this is how we will be doing it. First of all, since in this question also we need to find out the value of the goodwill by the weighted average method, right? So to find out the goodwill by weighted average method, what we will do, we will simply multiply the weighted average profit with the number of year purchase. So number of years purchase is already given in the question. Okay, all we are required to find out is the weighted average profit. So for finding out the weighted average profit, what I have done, I made a working note showing the calculation of the weighted average profit. So for that purpose, in the previous question, as I told you that we have to make the following type of statement. So the first column will be for the year, then the profit given in the question, then the adjustment which is required to be done in the value of the profit that is given, and then after adjusting the profit, we will find out the normal profit, and then it will be multiplied with to the weight to find out the weighted profit. Okay, so what I have done, I have taken the value of the 2018's profit, which is 2 lakh given in the question. And question is asking us to calculate the normal profit after adjusting the remuneration of the partners. Right, everyone, is this clear? So therefore, I have subtracted 90,000 out of 2 lakh. After deducting 90,000 out of 2 lakh, I have got 1,10,000 as the normal profit for the year 2018. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Other than Alexander, everyone is clear?
Yes, sir.
Guys, if you're having problem understanding this, please let me know so that I can explain the entire question one more time. Okay, Mariam is saying okay. And Ayan, please tell me whether you are
Yes, sir, it's clear.
able to understand this or not. Okay, clear. So what I have done, then I have multiplied the normal profit with the weights, and then I have calculated the weighted profit as 1,10,000. For the next year also, I did the same thing. The total profit given in the question was 2,30,000. Out of this, I have deducted the remuneration. All right, because remuneration was 90,000 per annum, and that need to be deducted every year. So I have deducted the 90,000 from the profit of 2019 as well. So after deducting the value of the remuneration, I have got 1,40,000 as the normal profit, and the weight for the 2080 for the year 2019 is given in the question as 2. Weight for, see, this is the weight. This is the weight for the year 2019. It was 2. So I simply multiplied the normal profit with the weight, that was 2, found out the weighted profit as 2,80,000. Again, for in the next year also, I did the same thing. I have taken the value of the profit, deducted the remuneration out of it, calculated the normal profit, multiply it with the weight that is assigned for the year 2020, and calculated the weighted profit for the year 2020. Now, after calculating the weighted profit for all the 3 years, I just total all the weighted profit to found out 8,70,000 as the total weighted profit, and then I have also total the value of the weights, which is 6. And for finding out the weighted average profit, what I did, I have divided the total weighted profit by the total weight, And by doing that, I got 1,45,000 as the weighted average profit. Tell me if anyone is still confused about anything. Done, everyone? Is this clear to all of you? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir. Clear.
It is clear.
Yes.
Okay. And now what we will do, we will take the value of the weighted average profit, write it into the main formula. 1,45,000 it was, no? Yeah. 1,45,000. And how much is the number of year purchased?
2 years.
What was it? 3 years. What 3 years
2
was
years.
the 2 years? Okay. Let me check. 2 years was the number of year purchase. All right.
Yes.
So 2 years. Multiplying it with 2 years, we will get 2,90,000. Right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, note it down, everyone, quickly. Let me know as soon as you are done, and then we will start the next question.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, I appreciate that you listen to me. I'm actually able to learn now, sir.
Okay, no problem, Alexander.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Guys, quickly note it down. We will be doing one more question that is almost similar to this question. We will be solving question number 59, and that is also based on the weighted average method of the goodwill. And that question is also almost similar to this one. So if you have any doubts in this question, those will be cleared in the next question, I hope. Kushi, Maria, Mayan, Abin, done? You guys are still
Yes,
writing
sir.
it? Still
Wait, sir,
writing, Abin?
can you scroll down a bit?
Yeah, just sure. Done, everyone? Done, Abin? Okay, Mariam is done. I hope Ayan, Khushi, you guys have also noted it down.
Yes, sir. Done.
Done. Okay. So let's move to the question number 59, and you will find this question is almost similar to the previous one. So I am sure that you will be able to solve it on your own this time. Okay. So again, I'm giving you 10 minutes to solve this entire question. The answer is also given in the question this time. 1,28,000 should be, you should get this answer. If you get the 32,000, this will be the total, this will be the weighted average profit. And the correct answer of the goodwill will be 1,28,000. Anyways, the question is saying that Raman and Daman two partners are there, their profit sharing ratio is given 60:40. That means 6:4, or you can also say 3:2. And for the last 4 years, they have been getting annual salary of 50,000, okay, and 40,000. So the salary for both the partners are given. The annual account have shown the following net profit before charging partner salary. Okay, so the profit given in the question is before deducting the salary of the partner. Okay, no problem. 1,40,000 for the year 2017, 1,01,000 for the next year, and for the year 2019 it was 1,30,000. So these profit are before deducting the partner salary. On 1st of April 2019, again, Zeno is being admitted 1/4 share in the profit. So this information is completely irrelevant for us, not important for the calculation of the goodwill. Now question is saying that goodwill is to be valued at 4 years purchase. Okay, this is relevant. So number of year purchase is 4. Weighted average profit. Okay, so the goodwill will be calculated on the basis of the weighted average profit. So we will have to find out the weighted average profit of how many years? Of the last 3 years after partner salary. That means we have to find out the weighted average profit after deducting partner salary for every year. Profit to be weighted, the weight has been assigned to different years of profit, 1, 2, 3. Obviously, the greatest weight will be given to the last year's profit as usual. Calculate the value of the goodwill. So you guys are finding this question that this is similar to the previous one. Alexander, Evan,
Yes, sir.
this seems similar to the previous one, na? So guys,
Yes, sir.
I'm giving you 10 minutes to solve this question. I hope you can solve, you will be able to solve this question within this time, and then I'll be solving it for you. So do it quickly. Let me know the answer.
Sir, done.
Then you're getting the answer.
Yes, sir, I got the same answer.
I'm waiting for others to finish. Guys, do it quickly. Let me know the answer, whether you got the answer or not. Done, everyone else? I've been done. Mariam. 32,000. Okay, Ayan, you got the answer? Abin, you got the answer? Yes or no? What happened, guys? You guys are trying now because I'm not getting answers from you.
Sir, I got it.
You got it, okay. All right, everyone. So let me show you the solution for this question. Anyone who haven't done it yet, they can copy the solution. See, first of all, in the question 59 as well, we need to find out the goodwill by the weighted average method. So we will be applying this formula, goodwill equals to weighted average profit into number of year purchase. So number of year purchase is already given in the question 4 years, but we have to find out the average weighted average profit. For that purpose, we have to make the working note and make a statement like this for the calculation of weighted average profit. So in this statement, I have taken the profit for the year 2070 that is given in the question 1,40,000. Now question is telling us to calculate the profit after deducting the salary of the partner for the valuation of the weighted average profit. We need to deduct the amount of salary that is given to the partner. So partner A is getting 50,000, partner B is getting 40,000. So this means collectively both are getting 90,000 of salary every year. So I have to deduct 90,000 out of 1,40,000. So by deducting 90,000 from 1,40,000, I have got 50,000. For the next year also, the profit of the next year was 1,01,000, and in the next year also the salary should be deducted. So after deducting the salary, the remaining profit will be normal profit will be 11,000. And in the next year as well, the profit that was given in the question was 1,30,000. Out of this, we have to subtract the salary of the partners, which is 90,000. So 90,000 deducted out of 1,30,000, remaining amount will be 40,000. Then weight is also given in the question 1, 2, and 3 for 3 different years. So 50 into 1, it will be 50,000. 11,000 into 2, it will be 22,000. And 40 into 3, it will be 1,20,000. Multiplying the normal profit with the weight, we got the weighted profit. And after totaling the weighted profit, we got the total weighted profit of 1,92,000. And totaling the weights, we got total weight as 6. Now to find out the weighted average profit, we will simply apply this formula: total weighted profit divided by the weights. So 1,92,000 is the total weighted profit, divided by weight, that is 6. We got the weighted average profit 32,000. Okay, and now we will put 32,000 in the main calculation. So 32,000 into 4, the valuation of goodwill will be 1,28,000. This is the solution of this question. If anyone is not able to understand anything, please let me know. Is everyone clear? Abin, Khushi,
Yes,
and
sir.
Ayan, you guys are clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you guys are writing it or you are done? If anyone is still writing it, do it quickly, and then we will be solving one more question. Let me check the thing. Okay, so it's already 8:58 here. So we will have to end the session, but I'll be giving you one question for your homework, and that is going to be a little difficult, but I still want all of you to try that question. I know I'll have to solve that question in the next class, but anyways, I'll still be giving you that question for your homework, and I want all of you to try that question. Even though that is a little difficult, I'm sure that no one will be able to solve that question, but still I'm giving you that question for your homework. I just want that you should give it a try. You should just try it once, and anyways, I'll be solving it in the next class also. This is done, everyone. Evan, you are still writing it?
No, sir, done. I have it.
Done. Okay. Okay. So guys, we are out of time. So I'm giving you one question for your homework. Question number 60. This is a lengthy question, and this is also one of the difficult question of this particular topic. But I want all of you to just give it a try. We will be solving it anyways in the next session also. So this is it, guys. Thank you so much. We will be doing more question based on the weighted average method in the next class also, and probably we will start a new concept which is super profit method in the next class. So till then, take care, and also we will be having a half an hour test in the next class on Wednesday. So make sure you revise everything before attending the next session. All right. Okay, guys. So thank you. Goodbye. Take care.
Okay, so thank you. Bye bye.